Hi everyone, in today's video I'll show you guys how you can fix no location found on your iPhone. Well, this might be issue just because of your location services being turned off. So in order to turn it on, you can get to the settings and from here scroll down until you see privacy and security, tap on it, and from here tap on location services. And after doing that, tap on location services and turn it on just like this. So after doing that, tap on share my location and make sure that share my location is turned on just like this, and then tap on find my iPhone and make sure all of these options are turned on. So after doing these, your problem will definitely be fixed. But if this is not the specific problem and the problem is with the other device, for example, I'll show you guys if you're having a problem just like this, you cannot find the location of other person, your family or your friend. It might be because their location services is basically turned off, or it might be because they are not sharing the location with you anymore. So make sure to tell them to share their location or turn on their location services. And yeah, that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.